Have you ever fancied one of those expensive lifts, scissor lifts for bikes and scooters? You know, the platform ones, pneumatic, cost about 500 quid or more, and can't afford it. Well, I'm one of those. I've looked at them for years and thought, is it worth it? Can I justify it? But I've looked at other alternatives and I think I've come up with the perfect solution really, and it's free. This might be helpful to someone else. I'm going to use pallets because you can get them for nothing. All you've got to do is put a few casters on them, stack up 2 or maybe 3, and you've got 450mm height, working height, which is pretty good. Just stick a little ramp on it, a little wooden ramp. You can leave it out in the garden in all weathers, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if it gets soaking wet, which they are at the moment. And it's going to take years for them to rot. When it dries out in the summer, you can paint it and make a nice little colour out of it. You can stack them up somewhere, soon lose a couple of pallets. But the thing is, they're cheap. So here we go. So what I've done is I've extended it slightly by 300mm on one end of one of the pallets. That just gives me enough for the wheelbase of the scooter, which is about 1350. So I've extended it by 300. Standard pallet is 1200. So I've now got 1500 there, and that might even be enough for my motorbike. But how simple is that? Just 2 pallets stacked one on top of another. Brilliant, well pleased with that. And it's cost me £10 for the casters and a few screws. Maybe that will give someone else an idea. A nice, cheap, simple, easy platform to work on. Get your scooter up on, off the ground. Stop working on your knees. Get a little stool. Excellent.